Hello, kids. Look at that truck. It's in a hurry to take those figures. It goes carefully around the green brick. Slow down! The truck didn't notice the red brick. Oh dear, the door opens and the figures scatter. Kids, let's help them find their seats. Repeat the names after me. An orange square. Well done! Look, the square has found its place quickly. A blue star. No, this is the wrong spot. Now turn. Great! A yellow rectangle. Hey, turn around! And now everything is well.
Yeah!
Look, who's missing here? Is it a triangle? Let's look for it. There it is, hiding under the truck. A green triangle. Great! A red circle. A restless circle is feeling dizzy. Where is the place for it? Correct. On the top. A pink heart. No, heart, it's not your spot. Here's your spot. Oh, someone's missing again. Do you think it's a diamond? Correct! There it is! A purple diamond. Great! Hey, truck! Wait a bit! Not all the figures have taken their seats yet. A green oval. Boisterous oval, don't hurry up. There we go.
Yeah!
A yellow moon. And the moon has also found its place. Great! A blue pentagon. No, Pentagon. This spot is for the arrow. Come on, Pentagon, you can do it. Well done. A blue arrow. No, arrow, turn. Wrong again. Turn one more time. Great! Hooray! Nobody is missing. Now we can go. Go! Thanks, kids. You've helped the truck collect all the figures. Goodbye now.